Hi, welcome to another video of Golang. In this video, we are going to discuss struct in Go. Let's start by understanding what is a struct. In Go programming, a struct is basically a user-defined type to store a collection of different fields into a single field. For example, you have a bus of passengers and you want to store each of the passengers' name, age, and seat number. You can define multiple variables to store these values, but it would not make sense to define a lot of variables. So to simplify this, we can define a single struct which will have all the fields like name, age, seat number, and then this struct can be used to define variables for each passenger. Now let's see how to define a struct. You define a struct using the type keyword, followed by the name of the struct and the struct keyword. In this example, we define a person struct with two fields, name of type string and age of type integer. Let's play with struct now. I am creating a new main.go file and defining the package name. Now I am defining the same struct that we have seen on the example. The struct name is person. This struct will have three fields, name with type string, age with type integer, and seat again with type integer. Now let's define a function. Inside the function, I am declaring a variable and assigning the struct that we have created. To assign a struct to a variable, you need to start with the struct name, then curly braces, and then the key colon value as per the type. So for name, I have given John as a string, and then age as an integer value, and similar for seat. Now let's define one more variable as person2. This time I will initialize the variable first, and then we will assign the struct to it in a similar fashion like we did above. If you see line number 16, in the longer method of declaring a variable, we need to give the name of the struct, which is person in our case. Now for assigning the value to variable person2, it starts with equal sign, then struct name, curly braces, and the fields like for name, Paul, age, let's say 25, and seat as 5. Okay, now we will print the value of person1 as passenger1. And for passenger 2, let's print only one attribute, name. To access only the name field of person 2, we need to use dot after the variable name and then the field we want to access. Now let's run the program. We got the desired output, which is person 1 full details and person 2's only name. Let me fix the typo here. Passenger 1 and passenger 2. Let me add some more examples for accessing the fields. For passenger 1, let's print the name by using person1 dot name. And let's add another one to access passenger 1 age and print that. So I am using person1 dot age. Let's run the program again. The output, we can see that the passenger underscore name has value of John and passenger underscore age has value of 20. I hope you are now much clear about struct and its usage. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe.